Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019. Well, it's certainly much warmer than what we've been dealing with over the past 48 hours, with temperatures already rising into the mid to upper 30s along the coast, lower to mid 30s in the suburbs, and upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior. Now, this interior section, especially around northeastern Pennsylvania, will have to be watched. As you can see, we have precipitation coming in from the west. And because these temperatures are still below freezing, there will be a threat for some sleet and freezing rain. So that's certainly something we're going to have to watch out for through this afternoon for some slick roadways. But the good news is that by the time this precipitation reaches the rest of the region, even the Hudson River Valley, temperatures will be above freezing and warming steadily into the 40s and topping off into the upper 40s to lower 50s by the time we get to this evening. So that means plenty of rain. Unfortunately, we have a lot of rain on the way, and this heavy rainfall is going to lead to the threat for some flash flooding. And also, we're going to have some wind impacts as well, as wind gusts will have the threat of pushing over 40 miles per hour. What's causing all this? Well, we have a storm that is developing out to our west. You can see the cold cloud tops here. These cold cloud tops tell me that there's a lot of lifting involved with this storm, which means the storm is strengthening and intensifying. So, as a result, we have a very high potential here for 1 to 2 inches of rain, and unfortunately, the threat for wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, possibly touching 60 miles per hour along the coast. So here's our storm developing. This one's going to lift up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, thus the warm conditions. Then our secondary low pressure system will track through Pennsylvania and head towards northwestern New Jersey and then into southern New England. That low pressure system will help to enhance the heavy rainfall ahead of the cold front, and that's going to lead to the threat for some flash flooding. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds, a rain-snow mix, and a little bit of ice over northeastern Pennsylvania will be possible through this afternoon. The rest of the region will see showers developing towards evening, with temperatures steadily rising through the 30s into the 40s and reaching the upper 40s to lower 50s by this evening. Overnight tonight, those temperatures continue to rise with widespread heavy rainfall throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic. Temperatures tomorrow will top off in the mid to upper 50s, so clearly widespread heavy rainfall. Now you have a frozen ground that's going to be thawing that already has plenty of rainfall already in the water table. Then you have some clogged drains, and then you add 1 to 2 inches of rain on top of it. It's going to lead to the threat for flash flooding, and that's why we have flash flood warnings, or should I say watches, throughout the region that likely, unfortunately, will become warnings. Now that cold front's going to move through on Friday afternoon. Behind that cold front, some cold air will be close enough to produce a period of light snow over the Poconos, maybe about 1 to 2 inches, isolated 3 inches of snow possible. The rest of the region will see the rain exit in the afternoon, and then temperatures free fall through the 50s into the 30s by the time we get to the evening hours on Thursday. On Friday, look for scattered cloud cover or flurries possible, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. On Saturday, scattered cloud cover is expected with lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the mid to upper 20s. On Sunday, an area of low pressure and cold front will move through with an isolated rain or snow shower. Look for lows in the lower 20s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. On Monday, another cold front will move through with a few isolated rain and snow showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the mid to upper 20s. On Tuesday, another area of low pressure, another cold front, but these low pressure systems and cold fronts are going to be very weak and lack moisture. So only an isolated rain or snow shower is expected, with lows in the lower 20s, highs in the mid 40s. And on Wednesday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Chilly though, with lows in the mid to upper teens and highs in the lower to mid 20s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.